Well, hi, everybody, on this Thursday, the 13th of February, Valentine's Day Eve. This is meteorologist Joe Rayo at the home base here in Putnam Valley, and we have a short fused weather update for you. And this is going to be a short fused update because I must tell you there's not much change from what we've been talking about in recent days. Still looks a bit on the mild side, relatively speaking, for this time of the year now, although I have to confess, kind of a bust out there today. I had anticipated temperatures would be up near 50, and the last I checked, the temperature right here in Putnam Valley was only around 39 degrees. So, hi to you, Dennis. I see you. um, I had been thinking that temperatures would be a lot milder today, and we're looking now for a big chill down here over the course of the next couple of days. For overnight tonight, first of all, here last night we did get snow. The deck, my wooden deck, got coated with snow. The driveway did not. My daughter, who was with us last night and this morning, she had her car coated, but that was about it. Once the temperatures went back above freezing, they never did get below freezing here. Our lowest temperature last night was about 1 o'clock this morning at 33, and then a slow climb upward to the upper 30s to near 40 as of this hour. Tonight, we're looking for the clouds to clear slowly but surely, especially in the after midnight hours. And temperatures by daybreak will be down between 20 and 29. Tomorrow, look for blue skies, bright sunshine, but it's going to be cold. And I'm not talking about bitter cold. You know, there's some media outlets have been proclaiming this as bitter cold weather. What am I going to tell you, folks? At this time of the year, mid-February, we normally would call a bitter cold day something like what, 5 or 10 or 15 degrees above zero. Tomorrow, 27 to 33. Not exactly bitter, at least in my book, but relatively speaking, one of the colder surges that we have seen so far in what has been a relatively mild winter. 27 to 33, mostly sunny skies, then lots of clear sky overnight tonight, with low temperatures getting down to, well, by daybreak on Saturday morning, anywhere from 1 degree. That would be for rural valley sections of our viewing region, especially north of the Interstate 84 corridor, 1 to 14 degrees. The 14 probably for big cities, larger urbanized areas like Yonkers and Mount Vernon. And if you live right along the immediate Sound Shore coastline, probably more like 10 or 11 degrees. But a cold night coming up tomorrow night. Now, wind chills tomorrow. Wind's going to be a bit gusty out of the northwest at about, I'd say 10 to 15 miles an hour. We'll see some gusts at times to over 20. That'll translate into a wind chill of anywhere from about 15 to 25 degrees above zero. That for tomorrow. Blue skies and bright sun tomorrow. Clear tomorrow night. Saturday, less wind, not as harsh. We're looking for light northwesterlies in the morning, becoming southerly in the afternoon, probably 5 miles an hour or less. Clear skies and lots of sunshine, and temperatures on Saturday, 27 to 34. Then we bounce right back up, 43 or thereabouts on Sunday, sunny to partly cloudy, mostly sunny for President's Day Monday, and a high of around again 43. And then we'll get some more precipitation. Guess what? More wet rather than white stuff. Wet, rainy skies on Tuesday. I think actually we may not see much in the way of precipitation until probably on Tuesday afternoon. But temperatures on Tuesday, and let's see if we can screw this forecast up because Tuesday looks kind of like the way it was supposed to be today. I'm talking again about temperatures near 50, and it never got much higher than the upper 30s to near 40. But I am calling on Tuesday for a high in the upper 40s to near 50. Then increasing winds, skies will clear on Wednesday of next week, a 43-degree reading, and then back to unseasonably cold weather with a temperature in the mid 30s when we get to Thursday, along with mainly sunny skies. So that's pretty much it. No sign still of any kind of protracted spell of cold weather or any kind of significant snow in the foreseeable future. Let's check out the chat board here. We, of course, have Dennis Cassie online. We have Mark Glatfelter. How do you do, Mark? And Dennis says it's 38 degrees where he lives up in Connecticut. So, again, most areas, again, a bit of a disappointment. 30s to around 40 today, whereas we had originally thought it'd be closer to 50. And then a bit of a chill down, so to speak, for the next couple of days, along with a gusty breeze, but at least more in the way of blue sky and bright sunshine tomorrow. And again, less wind and sunny on Saturday. James says hi. FLED, Fled weather. Hello, Joe. Everybody else, how are you, FLED or FLED? Does that LED stand for light emitting diode, and the F sound spells sound is something else? Is that an acronym of sorts? You gotta let me know. Scott Briller, Joe, good afternoon. Is next week cold wave going to be short? I don't know, Scott. What cold wave are you referring to? I see it's going to get colder here next Thursday and probably into Friday, but it'd be far for me to call it a cold wave. Again, considering that we're in the month of February, and February is, of course, a month that is well known for snow and cold, and this month of February is anything but. Leroy McKeever, hi, it finally stopped raining. Actually, outside my window right now, Leroy, it's a kind of a misty kind of precipitation pattern. Very, very light mist, and maybe not even that now. FLED weather, fled. No, it doesn't. It's not an acronym. Okay, I just wanted to know. Diego Bras, say hi to you. And again, what else can I say? Joe and I will be on with the Joe and Joe Show tonight at 7 o'clock on his YouTube channel. If you've not already subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do. It doesn't cost anything. And again, we'll be on Joe and Joe tonight at 7. I will tell you that we will not have a Joe and Joe tomorrow night. I will be going into the Bronx to say hello to my mom and my sister on Valentine's Day, and maybe bring my mom a few flowers, maybe my sister too. So I'm going to be away from the keyboard and away from the camera tomorrow night. So no Joe and Joe tomorrow night, and maybe nothing on Saturday as well. In fact, Chaffee was telling me that he may want to take a couple of days off. This is, after all, an extended holiday weekend, and we may be on Sunday. I'm not sure just yet. If we are, probably the same time on Sunday. Coffee with Joe and Joe at 11, and tea too, at 11 a.m. on Sunday morning. We'll play it by ear there. So, what else can I say? Nothing. I will shut this down right now. Hoping all of you have a nice day in spite of the chilly, damp weather out there going on. Get ready for some colder weather coming our way for tomorrow and for Saturday, but at least brighter skies with more in the way of sunshine. Joe and Joe again tonight at 7 o'clock. Have a good one, everybody. Meteorologist Joe Rayos signing off.